Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is two social media tools platform, which is Content Studio and Heropost. So talking about the two platform, here's a quick overview about these two platforms. Content Studio is a feature-rich content marketing and social media management tools designed for content teams, agency and creators. It's over AI writing, post scheduling, content discovery and analytics. On the other side, Heropost is a budget-friendly social media scheduling platform focused on automating posts across multiple channels with a clean interface and tools for bulky upload and teams collaboration. Then, revealing the strength and the weakness of these two platforms. To start with the Content Studio, analyzing the strength and the weakness. So starting with the strength, it has an AI content assistant and content planner. And also, the content creation and the discovery tools to also support a team collaboration and a client workspace. Thinking about the downside of the Content Studio, it has a slight steeper learning curve and also has a limited in-depth social media management features, which also the support response times can vary. Talking about the Heropost on the other side, revealing the strength and the weakness. So talking about the strength, can be affordable with a generous limit on a post and platform. Also a clean and a beginner-friendly interface. Also offer a bulky scheduling and Canva integration and a link tracking. On the other side, which is the downside of this platform, it also has it lacks AI tools and content discovery features. No built-in social inbox or engagement monitoring. Reporting is basic compared to competitors. And here's a viral conclusion by me about these two platforms. So if you want a robust tools with a AI content planning and content discovery together with an agency level collaboration, just go for Content Studio. Then on the other side, if you are a solo creator or a small business looking for affordable, easy scheduling without the extra features you might not use, just go for Heropost. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.